Hey, what's going on, guys? Brock here with another video, and today we're going to be going over my Rubik's Cube selection, and also I'm going to be solving all of these except for this one. Yeah, that's about it. This one's broken. It can't twist. Somebody at my school broke it. So let's get started with this one. This is the Snake Cube. I'm pretty sure it's a Snake Cube, but this is how you unsolve it. Right here. Okay. You put it in a totally straight line. Alright. Now, if you guys comment down below if you want me to do where I time myself and see what my best time is on what Rubik's Cube. So, okay. I'm pretty fast with all of the ones, so I can't solve a 3x3, so okay, solved. Next one we have a Shingshao 2x2 speed cube stickered. So just kind of really good mix this up. Try to get it where it has no two same on the same side. No two paired together. See, looks good. Okay. Okay, guys, look. There you go, inspecting it. No two were together. Alright, now I'm going to solve it. This one's a little tight right now. Have to fix that. What the heck did I do? Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. Got the first layer solved. What? Hold up, guys, I messed it up somehow. I have no idea how I just messed this up so bad. Okay, first layers again. Alright, here we go. Boom, solved. Now, this 4x4, I can't solve it fully, but I can only solve it whenever you mixed up like a 2x2. But it's a Rubik's 4x4, so it's not the best, but I mean, it's good for starting off, so yeah, that's why I've got it. Because if I wanted anything better, I'd probably get, not a V-Cube, don't get a V-Cube, they're not good at all. I'd probably get like a Cyclone Boys, and if you can't get something like that, just get a Rubik's brand. They're not as bad as everybody says. Oh, Rubik's brands are terrible. They're pretty good, actually. You just gotta work with them. Don't ever unscrew them. And if you ever mess up trying to do something on a Rubik's 4x4 or a 3x3 or whatever kind of Rubik's brand you have, just either go and find one of your friends who knows how to do it. Go find like one of your friends who knows how to solve Rubik's cubes really well. Or you can yeah, there is the option of taking them apart, which, you can always do. Now, just don't lose the pieces. Oh, shoot. Okay, we gotta do that one. this one takes, this one takes the longest to solve no matter how you do it, whether you solve it like a 2x2 or you solve it like a traditional 4x4, so yeah, that's why this one takes a little longer. Alright, there you go, it's fully solved all the way around. Next we have our Cyclone Boys stickerless 2x2 speed cube. So yeah. It's not really this fast. I lubed mine really well with some really speed lube. You can't buy it, it's not under the name, you know, just forget I said anything about it. But yeah, this one's pretty fast, you know, it's good at corner cutting. If you're getting any 2x2, either get this one or the Xing Xiao 2x2 that I got, because those are my top two best 2x2s that I got, so yeah. You can buy any of these Rubik's Cubes on Amazon. So go to go to Amazon.com and you can buy these Rubik's Cubes. You can find all of them on Amazon. That's where I got all mine. And on the 4x4, you can probably, I think I got mine at Barnes & Nobles. There you go. So you can go to like Barnes & Nobles to the puzzles. And last but not least, we got the Pyraminx. I know it looks hard, seems hard. Everybody says it's a nightmare waiting to happen. It's also called the Rubik's Revenge. Actually, that's the 4x4. The 4x4 is called the Rubik's Revenge. Forgot about that. It's really cool. So you just kind of, it's a triangle, so it's pretty terrible. And you twist the. All right, so I'm gonna solve this now. I think this one's actually a Calvin's puzzle. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's a Calvin's puzzle. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Calvin's puzzle. Like, if I'm wrong, then I don't know what kind of, whose puzzle it is. Okay, there we go. And now spin that down there. And tell me guys if this video was too boring. I won't do another one like this, but I will keep you updated when I get a new Rubik's Cube, so that if you really do like these, then I can do more. Okay. Getting to our final bits here. It's like 3 or 4 algorithms for the whole puzzle. I gotta tighten mine, some pieces are really loose. And there you go. That one's solved. And then I also have these 2 iPhone 3s. Actually, one's a 3GS and one's a 3. So yeah, got those. Then I got my 3x3. Well, so that's my whole overview of my collection of Rubik's Cubes and me solving them. So that's gonna bring this video to an end. Hope you guys liked it. Please do like, subscribe, and comment down below if you would like to see more of these. And if it was too boring for you, then comment down below that you would not want to see any more of these. Please don't dislike though. And I think that's about it. So that was it. So have a great day. Bye.